Hi everyone, this is Hardy. In this lecture we will take a look at Photoshop layer masks. Now I've got a basic document set up with two photos that I've taken, one of a cracked concrete texture and one of just a normal brick wall. Now I've got each of these photos on their own layer, and as you can see we can kind of shuffle the deck here depending on which one we want to be on top. But what we're going to do is apply a layer mask to this cracked concrete texture. And the way we do that is by going down to this icon right here. This is the layer mask icon, and we click that, and you can see it creates a new little white rectangle next to the layer representation of the cracked wall photograph. So this is the actual mask, and what we can do with this is hide and reveal certain parts of this photo depending on what is white and what is black in this. So with black, we are hiding things. So notice I'm selecting this part, not this part. Once we have to be on the mask and we can paint inside of it. If we paint with black, we hide parts of this layer. If we paint back with white, we reveal it again. So you can see if we fill this entire mask in with black, then the layer completely disappears. It's still there, but it's completely hidden because its mask is totally filled in with black. But what we can then do is paint in slowly with white with a low flow brush, and you can see it. This is a great way to make some pretty realistic photo composites. It looks like that crack texture is part of this brick wall just because we used a layer mask and sort of combined these two photos. Now this has a ton of really great applications with creating digital art, but play around with some photographs just to see if you can create a quasi-realistic effect using layer masks, and I think you'll find this very useful in future lectures.